Hey cohort, this is Jordan. Alright, for this next video we're going to practice changing um, a value on a variable within the data set that we have. So depending on which group you have, you'll have data set 1.1 or data set 2.1. So on both of the data sets, let's look at variable 153. Shout out to Kane for catching me leaving out the gender. So we're gonna edit this one here so that we have the same thing for all of our data sets. So first, let's go to name. Okay, again, first we're in the variable view. So you won't be able to edit it if you're in data view. So go to variable view, find variable 153, name. We're gonna change that to sex, and then we're gonna edit the value of this. So on yours, it should say none. I've already edited it a little bit, so let me turn it back to the way it was. So on yours, it should say gender, and then the value should have none. So we're going to change that to sex, and then we're going to set our values here. Now, setting the value to none is useful sometimes for, let's say, for example, age. Not having a value here is appropriate for age, because somebody who is 5 years old and you enter 5, that actually means they're 5. Or someone who's 50 is actually 50. So for the gender, the sex option here, we have to set the values. So this is a chance to practice. All of the values on these other variables are already set appropriately. So everybody needs to change this one. So go to values, click the 3 dots here, and see the two answers were male and female. So we're going to say 1 male, add 2 female. If I can spell, add. So now we have the number 1. When you enter that into your data set, not a letter, you would enter in 1. That would equal male. And the number 2 would equal female. Of course, that doesn't mean male or females are better. It just means that that's how it's normally done. So in the perfect world, females would always be on top, right? Okay, anyway. So hit OK. And now you can see that we've changed the variable here to sex. We've renamed it. And now we have a new value here where 1 equals male, 2 equals female. Okay, so this is something that everybody needs to do on the data set, and I'll give you a chance to practice changing values. Also, if you'd like to take either of those first 2 variables that I sent you an email this morning, you can enter those into a blank data set by hitting new and then hit data, and then you'll have a blank data set, and you can copy and paste or just create your own variables here and just practice changing the values of them. Alright, I hope this has been helpful. If you got any questions, go ahead and shoot me an email. I'll see you later.